Let's make some baked buffalo wild wings, Parmesan garlic chicken pasta, one of our favorites. Start by pouring in a 9 by 13 pan some dry pasta, your favorite type. Add in a bottle of buffalo wild wing sauce. Fill that up with some milk, about a cup of it. Give it a good shake. You want to just get that remaining sauce out of that jar. Add in 2 cups of chicken broth, making sure your pasta is covered. Add in 3 cups of shredded chicken and a block of cream cheese right in the middle. Preheated oven for 425. Put it in, bake it for 35 minutes, take it out. Now we're going to give it a stir. And that cream cheese was nice and soft, so just give everything a stir so that it all blends together. And I am going to tag the food dudes from TikTok. They get all the credit for this recipe. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on, put it back in the oven and let that melt. Here it is. It is beautiful and absolutely delicious. I have several versions of this on my blog, but I never even thought to make it this way. So that is why, again, I am giving the food dudes all the credit. Thanks so much. Give me all the likes and love that you can. Have a great week.